what was the status of the land prior to 1528? That is the basic issue. If the status was that it was a temple, then whether it should remain as a temple or not, and whether the Muslims have occupied that land wrongly or rightly.
The judgment on who is the rightful owner of the disputed site is awaited. But for the people of Ayodhya, the legal tussle has already changed their lives forever. Ahead of the verdict, the Mayawati government is taking no chances, and Ayodhya is barricaded, shut down, policed at every turn. Sharp nails are a metaphor of the city's violent history. A monkey gnaws on the bricks at Karsevakpuram as if mocking the long-stalled temple construction activity here. The main tourist attraction in Ayodhya is the marketing of its own destructive past. Hanuman Garhi temple wears a deserted look. Gyan Das is the Mahant of Hanuman Garhi and head of all Hindu akharas in Ayodhya. He says peace in Ayodhya is being maintained even though politicians want to play mischief.
हम नहीं बोल रहे हैं इसलिए माहौल बना हुआ है, हम बता दे रहा हूं। अशोक सिंह डायरेक्ट हमारे पास आए, वेट 1.5 घंटा बात किए, लेकिन हमने उनको कुछ नहीं कहा। जो भी कहे हमसे, हमने कुछ नहीं कहा। हम अभी आपसे बातें नहीं करेंगे।
Local residents appear cynical and weary. The fallout of living in a town caught in a time warp.
बंदर के गले में जंजीर बांध दो और डंडा फटर फटर पटको, जब तक डंडा के बल पर बंदर नाचा करता आप देखा करते। उसी तरह से नेता हैं और हम ठहरे बंदर।
अगर यहाँ पे बाहर का आदमी नहीं आएगा तो यहाँ का हिंदू मुसलमान झगड़ा नहीं करता। ये बात आप सुन लीजिए।
जिस हिंदू का खून न खौले, जो राम के काम न आए, जय श्री राम।
They came from all over India. In December 1992, Karsevaks had been gathering at Ayodhya for 3 days, their numbers swelling to almost 2 lakhs. They were highly charged and impatient to start building the Ram Mandir. L.K. Advani's 1990 Rath Yatra, designed to mobilize Hindu rage against the Congress's so-called minority appeasement in the Shah Bano case, had galvanized Hindus across India. At the center of the yatra was the promise to restore Hindu pride, the promise to rebuild the Ram Mandir. That fateful afternoon, Sunday, December 6th, the leaders of the Ram Janmabhoomi movement became the lead. The army overwhelmed the commanders. BJP and VHP leaders L.K. Advani, Uma Bharati, S.C. Dikshit, H.V. Sheshadri, Ashok Singhal and Murli Manohar Joshi stood on their dais at Ram Katha Kunj, watching. Karsevaks broke through the security cordon and, armed only with pickaxes, hammers, shovels and iron rods, flattened the masjid in just 5 hours and 45 minutes. Nearly 25,000 central paramilitary forces stood by without raising a finger. The central government watched helplessly as by 5 p.m. that Sunday evening, the Babri Masjid was torn down.